Welcome to Handle King DIY Tip of the Week. Today we're going to look at keeping your screws, tacks and nails handy, so whether you're working at heights or in confined spaces, your nails are always to hand. You're going to need a magnet, some super glue and your hammer. So glue the magnet to the base of your hammer. I'm going to show you just at the bottom on the side there, but you can of course glue it to the underneath as well. Wait for the glue to dry. Now that the glue is dry, you can see that your tacks, nails and screws will stick to the magnet, making them easily accessible whenever in use.